adventurers. Katie here, and welcome to Paradise Phuket. This island is a kaleidoscope of turquoise lagoons, spicy street food, and heart-pounding adventures. Today, I'm counting down the ultimate Phuket bucket list. 10 things you can't miss. Trust me, you'll want to book your flight by the end of this, so grab a mango smoothie, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the magic of Phuket. Number 10. Visit Wat Chalong. First up, let's get cultural at Wat Chalong, Phuket's most iconic temple. This place is stunning, golden spires, intricate murals, and a vibe that's pure serenity. Pro tip, dress modestly, shoulders and knees covered, and try ringing the prayer bells for good luck. It's free to enter, but donations are appreciated. Spend an hour here soaking in the history and snapping some Insta-worthy shots. Oh, and watch out for the firecrackers at festivals. They're loud but so cool. Number 9. Explore Old Phuket Town. Next, we're in Old Phuket Town, where pastel-colored buildings and street art make every corner pop. Wander down Soi Romani for that perfect photo, then hit the Sunday walking street market for spicy samtam and handmade souvenirs. It's a vibe. Think hipster cafes meets Thai culture. Budget tip. Street food here is under $2. You'll feel like you're in a movie set, and trust me, you won't want to leave. Number 8. Snorkel at Coral Island. Ready for an underwater adventure? Coral Island, or Koh Hay, is a 15-minute boat ride from Phuket and a snorkeler's dream. The water's crystal clear, and you'll swim with clownfish and vibrant coral. Tours cost about $30 and often include lunch. I went with a local guide, and oh my gosh, the fish were practically posing for my GoPro. Pack sunscreen and a waterproof bag. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Number 7. Sunset at Promthep Cape. Catching a sunset at Promthep Cape. This viewpoint is Phuket's southernmost tip, and the golden hour views are chef's kiss. Bring a coconut drink, snap some pics, and just soak it in. It's free, but get here early for a good spot around 5 p.m. I felt like I was in a postcard. Stay till the stars pop out for extra magic. Number 6. Party on Bangla Road. Okay, party people. Bangla Road in Patong is where the night comes alive. Think neon lights, live music, and street food that smells amazing. It's chaotic in the best way. Grab a cocktail for $3 or dance with locals. If it's too wild, hit a rooftop bar nearby for chill vibes. I had the best pad thai here at 2M. Just keep your wits about you and have fun. Number 5. Hike to Big Buddha. Halfway there. The Big Buddha is a 45-meter tall icon overlooking Phuket. The hike up is sweaty, but worth it for the 360-degree views of jungles and beaches. It's free, but donations help maintain it. I felt so peaceful sitting here, listening to the monks chant. Pro tip, wear comfy shoes and bring water. This is spirituality meets adventure. Number 4. Canoe in Phang Nga Bay. This is the one you won't believe. Canoeing through Phang Nga Bay. You'll glide past limestone cliffs, hidden caves, and even a floating village. I visited James Bond Island and saw glowing plankton at night. It's unreal. Tours start at $50 and guides paddle for you, so you can just soak in the views. This was my favorite day in Phuket, hands down. Number 3. Island hop to Phi Phi Island. Island hopping to the Phi Phi Islands. Maya Bay, yep, from the beach, is straight up paradise. Snorkel, swim, or cliff jump if you're feeling brave. Tours cost $40 to $80, and early morning trips beat the crowds. I saw a sea turtle here, and I'm still not over it. Book a small group tour for the best vibes. Number 2. Relax at Freedom Beach. Need a chill day? Freedom Beach is Phuket's hidden gem, quiet, gorgeous, and less crowded than Patong. It's a short hike or boat ride to get here, but the powdery sand and turquoise water are worth it. Bring your own snacks to save cash. I spent a whole day reading and swimming, pure bliss. Just don't tell too many people about this spot. Number 1. Take a Thai cooking class. Drumroll, please. My number 1 is a Thai cooking class. Learn to make tom yum, pad thai, or green curry with local chefs. I took a half-day class for $40, and we shopped at a market first. So fun. You get to eat everything you cook, and I'm basically a curry pro now. It's hands-on, delicious, and you'll impress everyone back home. There you have it, Phuket's ultimate bucket list. From temples to beaches to spicy curries, this island has it all. Which adventure are you adding to your list? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more travel inspo. I'm Katie, and I'll see you in the next paradise.